Um, Respected Chairman, Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, and additional professionals, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, may I take this opportunity this morning to offer on behalf of the organizers, on behalf of everybody present here, and on my own behalf, heartiest congratulations to Her Royal Highness Princess Mother's aspiration for world-class community development, set as an example for all of us for happiness in life with free of drugs. Thank you. I would also like to say this morning, the gathering here is amazing, inspirational, and energizing. It is with immense joy and fulfillment I stand here at the launch of ISUP, the International Society of Substance Use Prevention and Treatment Professionals. At the outset, let me acknowledge the hard work put in by THANRAC and ONCB Bangkok, INL Washington, and from Colombo plant staff who made this day possible. ISUP is a platform where substance use professionals gather together, exchange their knowledge, skills, experiences, and expertise, and learn from each other. I am glad to see such a large number of professionals who have gathered here with same vision and mission to work together for a common cause. Colombo plant is privileged to take a key role in the initiation of this global forum, the first ever global initiative with the support of international organizations, substance use, treatment and prevention professionals, and INL, the U.S. Department of State. The drug scenario of the world is changing day by day, creating more number of drug dependence and substance use disorder. This situation has created a big vacuum of professionals in the field, both at drug prevention and treatment. I'm glad that Colombo plant could contribute to its share through ICE and DAP in this regard. Training and credentialing of additional professionals, both in Universal Treatment Curriculum, UTC, and Universal Prevention Curriculum, UPC, have been the key function of ICE over the past several years. We hope the management of ISUP will further expand this mission, and every ISUP member will benefit from this endeavor. The concern that, if I may share, is that both at designing and launching of international forum is taking place with enthusiasm However, maintaining it up to the expectation of the member would certainly be a great task. Therefore, the promises of ISAP lies in each one of you. We should make all our efforts to make this mission a success. I appeal to all stakeholders to come up with clear management roles, resources, and how ISAP would be sustained and managed. I would like to reiterate and again say the gathering here is amazing, inspirational, and energizing. And I also like to take this opportunity to thank INL, U.S. Department of State, who took the first initiative for the formation of ISAP. THANRAC, the key host of this event, and ONCB, our drug focal point for making all arrangements for this meeting. I will be failing in my duty if I do not acknowledge the hard work put in by Colombo officers from DEPT and ICE also in this regard. Let me end by wishing everyone a pleasant stay and a fruitful meeting. Thank you.